Dosa and idli are a staple food, especially in the South Indian families. If you go and knock at any South Indian family's house and say that, okay, I'm hungry, one of the first things that might come on your plate is a dosa. At least a dosa, because it's so quick to make. And dosa is almost always had with a bowl of sambar or some chutneys besides. My name is Shrikant, and I'm your instructor who will take you along this beautiful course of using fermented rice and lentil to make delicious preparations of dosa, idli and uttapam. Besides being a cult South Indian food, it's also one of the healthiest food that you can actually have. It's really easy to make. The batter is super simple. All you need is just a nice good blender. And the batter that you have prepared, you can store it in a fridge for a couple of days and make a dosa or idli within minutes. It's also a very balanced food because there's lentil and rice in it, and the added advantage of having it fermented makes it easier for you to digest. Quite often people buy pre-made batter not knowing for how many days it's been in that pack or frozen, what kind of preservatives are added. Sometimes the manufacturers are not transparent about it. So this is exactly what I'm going to teach you in my masterclass. How to make your batter yourself. And what if you're living in a cold country? How do you ferment it? This is the trick that I'm going to show you without the use of even an oven. So if I have intrigued your interest, then join me for our masterclass on dosa and idli and how to make them simply at home without too much of an effort.